welcome back to my channel. In today's video we'll be doing a grocery haul, a long awaited video. I know, but let's get into it. Let's start with Walmart. Walmart, I got whole wheat pasta, 2 of those, some taco seasoning for a meal, Laughing Cow cheese. I got some tomato basil pasta sauce, got some fire roasted tomatoes, some pesto sauce, some carb balanced tortilla. I got these new turkey patties that I'm trying. I'll let you guys know about that in a review video. The hint of lime chips and some eggs. Quick trip, not much that I needed. Now let's get to Publix. I love these vegan chicken patties. I'll definitely be reviewing it for you guys. I've got some vegetables. I got some stir fry, some broccoli, got some cauliflower, rice cauliflower, some guac cups, some salsa, some cantaloupe, and this meal that I'm trying. So not much from Publix. So at Costco, I got chicken breast and organic sweet potato fries. These are amazing. That's grocery store. So at Aldi, I got sweet butter lettuce, some fresh asparagus, some ground chicken. I got 2 of those. What else did I get? I got some mini hash browns. I feel like they're convenient for like casseroles or if I want to make a quick breakfast in the morning. Got some turkey bacon, these cracker assortments. They're delicious. I can have them with some Laughing Cow cheese. I also got some brioche bun. Love those buns. They're amazing. And I forgot to mention, I initially went to Costco to get the vegan chicken patties that I showed you guys, but they didn't have any, so I'm happy that I found them at Publix. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and let me know if you want more grocery hauls. All right, bye.